Hi,
Hello.
welcome to Hibachi in the Rain.
We are down at Jericho Beach. It's a beautiful day, and today we're going to make bacon wrapped steak sandwiches. Okay, so we've got some mushrooms. We're gonna clean them off, and we're gonna slice them up and throw them in some tin foil with some garlic, put them on the grill, get them ready for our sandwiches.
So we're just gonna lightly pepper our fabulous slabs of meat here before we wrap them in bacon. So we've got all our bacon, we've got our steak, and we're gonna wrap these puppies up. So I always say when wrapping with bacon, just go two, you know? Don't get too precious about it. And we've got lots of bacon here, so we're gonna do a couple pieces per steak. So we get all that juicy goodness. Get dirty, get in there. Let's go for 3 pieces. No bees, please. Time to grill them. Well, I guess Jess did an okay job with the mushrooms, alright.
I guess Megan did an okay job wrapping steak and bacon. You know, they look pretty good.
I mean, it looks good.
Looks good.
Let's see how that tastes, you know. I mean, really, the next step is take a big bite.
See what it's like.